Hello everyone, this is Blazo Glory, and today I'm playing Schrodinger's Cat Burglar. Adventure begins. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Am I close enough to my mic? The plan was simple. Get in, hack the computer, get out. I'm like a hacker. Coast is clear, Chief. Of course I'm an orange cat. I didn't account for the advanced robotics. Oh, it's a dog. And it was at that point that everything went pear-shaped. Better pear-shaped than ass-shaped. Maybe. Yeah. Listen up, Mittens. Oh, I love my glowing green eyes. Wait, Mittens? I was really hoping I'd get to name my cat. I was gonna name him Professor Nibbles McKissy Biscuits, after my cat, Nico. Picture somewhere up here. Is that hedgehog a vampire? Look at it! Look at its wee fangs. It's like blah, squeak blah. This demo for Schrodinger's Cat Burglar takes place a little way into the story. Yeah, this is a demo. The full release isn't out yet, but I suspect that I'll very much want to play it when it is, because the premise seems awesome. It's freaking adorable. Be cute, do crimes. Hello, that's me in a nutshell. And, you know, it's also multiplayer, so Plinky and I can play together. Ruba! There are a few mechanics we need to get you up to speed before we get stuck in. So first up, try jumping on a few of these desks and making a mess. That's my kind of mission. There's a cat after me own heart. Okay, so I can move. All right, with you so far. Jump. Ew. Okay. Oh, this is close. All right. Yeah. Let's knock everything off. Nicely done, Mittens. Yeah. Jumping on a desk is kind of my specialty. Now, if you haven't really realized, here's a newsflash. You have quantum powers. I like quantum powers. Try moving in 2 different directions at once. See what happens. Oh. Ha-ha! Oh, dude, that's dope. Whoa! Ah, the recognizable sound of a cat splitting in 2. Not bad. These quantum powers are going to be immensely helpful when I'm on a mission. Feel free to cause a little chaos in here, but when you're ready, go through the next room. And don't forget to practice fusing back together. Okay, yeah. Oh, wow, this is so much harder to control. I got me a soda, y'all. Yeah, this is... Wait, are those candy bars? Cats can't have chocolate. That's real bad for them. You're right. Yeah, pick up. This is so much more difficult to control. How to fuse back? Fuse. Yeah. This is gonna be fun. These pads will only react to split entities of matching color. Fuse entities will not be detected. Okay. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Customization, both split. Cat 1 is orange. No, yeah, cat 1 is orange. Cat 2 is blue. Change cat. I can be Brad. I can be the fanciest little gentleman. Blinky. I can be the fanciest little gentleman. Oh yeah, sir, that's Lord Kiddington Esquire the Third at your service. Alright. Oh, more bucks. Yeah, get more bucks. Okay, pair switch. Locks simultaneous reaction required. Okay. Yeah. I love this. Okay, let's put you up here. Let's see. So switch target. What's going on? Left button to jump. Ah, yeah, boy. Okay. Oh, can I pick this up in my little mouth? I can pick it up in my little mouth. No, wait, that's not what I meant to do. All right, well, how do I drop this? All right. I keep using the wrong... All right, you know what? Let's just put you here, you here, you there. Use it. Oh, no, wait. Actually, I need stuff at the bottom here. No. There we go. Yeah. Let me get them flagrant bucks. Let me get them flagrant bucks. I need like 75 for one jump in the tube. Okay, that's cool. Your own personal cat delivery system. All right, let me just place you right here. Oh, for this one, I need both of these. Yeah. I need the twin. They do a little growl and everything. I love it. Heisenberg fields will not let you pass if you're a split. Oh, okay. Wait, so if I do this? Oh, it won't let me split. Okay. And then I split again to do this. Oh, yeah. I can dig it. Run, kidder, run! Okay, insert and remove battery. Socket, drain, yada, yada, yada. I should probably actually pay attention to this, but I ain't gonna. Gib. Oh, okay. Deprint field. This field makes any item it touches deprint. Wait, will that just cause me to not... like my nose prints? Because I know all cats have, like, a cat's nose print is like a human's fingerprint. They're all different. Like, you can tell a cat apart from another cat by the print of their nose. If you can get one to sit still long enough to take a nose print. Did I mess up my mic? I probably did. Who knows? Doing. Wait, no, I have to get the battery for that thing. Oh, wait, no. I got this. Actually, no, you know what? No, this will probably be simpler to do it this way. Alright, so what I do this. Okay, so you go there. No! Oh! Well, that's... No, wait. And then you go over here. Yeah! I'm good at stuff once. Yay! I've got all these flagrant bucks. Now I've got 34. I'm almost half the way to my top hat and monocle. And everybody knows top hat and monocle is dope. Opening comms. Whoa! What's happened now? I've been spotted by a camera. I feel all purple and wibbly. Being observed has caused your quantum superstate collapse. Oh, good one. Because you can tell where the cat is, or how the cat is, but never both at the same time. I'm on to you, physics. Is that bad? Far from it. You have become theoretical. You can exist in two places if you're being observed. Oh, you can't exist in two places. The doors of the chamber shut behind me when the cameras turn on. Being theoretical state allows you passage through non-permanent structures. Non-permanent structures? Or to put simply, if you're purple and wibbly, you can go through purple and wibbly things. Ooh. Deuces. Aha. Wait. Ooh. To the purple wibblies! Theoretical state extra. Being a theoretical means a cat cannot interact with the world. Oh man, that means I can't get all the stuff? Haha. Oh dude, I'm gonna knock this off. Yeah! I got that cat money. That cat shh. How many do I have? 45. 30 more. It's gonna be a real catastrophe if I don't get that monocle and top hat. No, wait, come back. You there, you there. No, well, No, come back. Oh, it is going to take me quite a while to get used to that scheme, control scheme. I freaking love this game. You can split. Let's see. The cat head indicator at the top corner shows the current state of the cat. Observed, can't split. Non-observed, can. Dang. Like I can't split now. I can split now. I'm gonna be all wibbly and wobbly and junk. What's this? It looks like a star. Try splitting this area and you'll see a quantum shard. These collectibles are split and need to be collected in two locations at once. Even when you're fused, you can faintly see and hear the shards. If you ever see one quantum shard, its twin will be somewhere nearby. Yes. Okay, that's cool. But also, like, I need... Can I jump this? Yeah, that's cool. Now let me... Huh. Ooh, okay. What if we're both observed? Okay, so then you go here. Yeah, no. I'm picking up what you're smelling. Oh, yeah. Haha! Quantum shard! Aw, yes. Okay, now we have to figure out how... Oh, yeah, I can jump. That was weird. Yeah, give... Aha! Okay, now you jump down. Wait, can I just jump over? Oh no, I have to be all wibbly and wobbly, timey-wimey. Alright, so you here, you go through there, you go through there, you go through there, we fuse up. Okay, that's cool. Is that the end of the demo? Why are you not? Okay, there we go. 20 more. I at least want to get the top hat and monocle. Incoming communication. Excellent work, Mittens. Means a good boy. You're ready to get stuck into the demo proper. Jump into this tube and you'll be zipped to Split Labs Alpha. Mittens is also adorable. Boing. I'm all wibbly wobbly. Okay, Susan, I've arrived in Separation Labs. Excellent. Head on in and we'll see what's what. Alright, bet. Oh, that's cool. I can just... Oh, I love that they have the accessibility feature where if you're not super great at swapping, you can just hit L to swap or fuse. Or R, honestly. Standing underneath a daylight lamp for sure will checkpoint your progress. Okay. I'm gonna get the mouse. The mouse hides until the coast is clear, but if you can get above the mouse, like so. Yeah, what up now, mouse? Gotcha. I got tree data chips. How do I tell how many? Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, no, cool. Sure. Back. I don't care. I'll figure it out later. I just want to know, like, I want to get the top hat. If possible, also the bread. It'd be super nice to make them look like little mans, but, you know, that's not necessarily essential. Central Split Labs demo. Aw, yes. And what's all this? Can I make you go up? Wait. There's a meow button. Okay, this game just went full on 100. Okay. So, where's the top hat? Okay. So I need 75 for that. So I need a total of 84. What about the Ultra Chonk is Wee Man? So I would also need, I mean, I could make a Ultra Chonk. Fur color black would also need 64. So 64 plus 64, 128 plus 84, 3. I need like 300. There's no way I'd be able to find enough for that. Look at him, he looks like my little man. Actually, Nico's like black. There's no gray spots in his fur or no brown spots. Like, he is just a black cat. So he's got one little white patch on his tumor, which I guess technically makes him a tuxedo, but I'm not taking it away from him. He's my little man's. He's my baby, and I love him. Except when he's me in a butthole. Hey, Susan, what's behind that big door? Oh, lazy Susan. Respect. I just got that. This is important in the full game, but doesn't feature in this demo. The demo features section A or B. Use the elevator to the right to get going. Okay, yeah, sure. Let me in. Let me in. You. I do be games. Sector A and B. I cannot wait till this game is out. This is gonna be dope. I wonder how they'll handle the single player section when you have 2 players. I wonder if you'll just have 2 separate cats the whole time, and one of you will be blue and one of you will be orange. The world may never know. I probably should. Should I? Hacking. Flex those paws. 2 beans. Tap to hack faster. Tap RT and LT to hack faster. L to move away to stop hacking. Open codecs to read documents. Okay. He can hack. Like when little man lays on my desk and he'll like try to grab my mouse and help me out, and he'll look at the screen like, oh no, you gotta go there, Prime. It's adorable. Honestly, at this point, he does more of my job than I do. And by that, I mean he's the world's fluffiest supervisor. Yeah. I've got to be all whippily on wobbly. Oh, would you look at that? Susan, you'll love this. Oh, what is it? The science team in the lab have created split fields. They've got a dual event process working on inanimate objects. Wow. So because they couldn't get the DES working on sentient creatures, they went down this avenue of research. What sort of thing are they up to? I'll report back when I explore further. Come on. Yeah. I'm one fluffy boy. Knock the computer off the desk. Come on. We fine, whatever. I'll behave myself. Like a good cat. Puzzling hints. When in puzzle, you can ask for a hint by holding the hint button. This will show icons of the world and nudge you towards your, Oh, hold B. Oh, okay. Okay, so this here. Oh, and then you grab this. I did that just to show you guys how the hint system worked. I knew how it worked all along, because I'm smart. Wait, did I just miss a section by going here instead of going up? It'll probably go around. I hope I don't miss a section. I'm really enjoying this so far. I mean, they be that way. Ooh, am I hacking? I'm Hacker Man. Hacker Cat Man. Cat. Ooh, hey. Alright, you go here. Okay. 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 Okay, no, I got this. Nope, because I have these backwards. Alright, come on, fuse back together. There we go. Oh, hey, I can just, like, go in here. Oh, snap. Ooh, there's a shard of some kind. Okay, got it. Oh, that one's got a batra. Oh, what can I do with the batra? Can you go through here? No. I'm confused, but you know what? I think first... Can I just... Okay. So I know where that is. Let's pick you up. I just jumped straight over it. I mean, I am a cat after all. Okay. So, first... You here. You here. Oh, that's where the shard is. Nope, that's not where we want to go. How do I cancel a jump? Okay, so get these. And you... I said you go down here. That one was my bad. Defiantly, that was my bad. No, go back. Okay, so you get here. Oh, this is really giving the left and right side of me brain a workout. Come on. Jump. You're a cat. You were born for this. Yeah, quantum shards. Now I have 2 of them. Yes. Okay, now the real question is, what am I to do with that battery? I'm all purpley and gibbly. Gibbly and wibbly and whatnot. Now I gotta do this again. Okay. What if I put you here? Will this charge you? Oh no, it just made 2 quantum batteries. Well, that's cool. You here. Pick you up. I said pick you up. I can't pick you up. What if I do both of these? Okay, that means I can go over here. I can pick you up with this. Take you through the field. Put you here? Well, I probably have to be a little more accurate. Okay. But I can't fuse the 2. Oh yeah, that one doesn't matter anymore. So now you can be here. No. Yeah, I can just do this. Duh. Yep. Oh, I'm good at stuff. That only took me about 4 times as long as it would have anybody else. Well, that was painful. Use my kittens. My babies. Well, that's cool. I feel like there's so much crap that I haven't explored in this game. Like, for instance, what's with the... That's probably something I'll have to split to do. Come on! Let's go! Power cells. Store units of power. So is that how batteries work? Blocks. Build. Line. Screen turns yellow when activated. Full drain. Okay, yeah, I'll figure it out. I'm tired of reading. Yeah, I like the meows. Ooh, more bucks. I can't tell if that was somebody's game controller or their sandwich I just knocked off their desk. It might be a stapler. Hacking buys. Beta Labs team, what is their problem? Damn. Oh, I see what you're getting at. Oh, I can just... No, Gib. Oh, I seem to be stuck. Help! I'm stuck in the wall! I can't get out! Do I have to... Ow. Yeah! Okay, now I got a Batra. Yeah! I still don't know what that other one's for. The place the vent and whatnot. I mean, you spill out all these cans. 75 flagrante bucks. That means I can get the cat hat, the top hat. Dude, I gots to get that hat and monocle. And then I can turn him into a little black cat, like Little Man's. Okay, excuse me. I have to figure this puzzle out. It will not sit well with me if I don't figure this out before the end of the episode. Oh, yeah. I can just be the battery. But that's not going to open it permanently, though. I am so stupid. So incredibly stupid. That was so dumb. I had the answer the whole time. I spent like 10 minutes just screwing around trying to figure that out. And I had the answer the whole freaking time. Okay, is there a place like a change station closest? Roma! Abdoon! I can ride the Roomba. Yeah. Oh, I'm assuming that's gonna go into a puzzle somehow. I'm a hacker cat. I'm through Sector A, Susan. Ace. Head into Sector B. It's right next door. Okay, actually, you know what? That's one full section, and that's probably enough of the demo. Since I've been recording for about an hour now, I would imagine that it's you know, you don't need to see the whole demo from me, because then what incentive would you have to get the game and play it yourself? Of course, to be fair, it is like this is just a demo. It's still not out in full release yet. But still. There's a whole other section that I could play through. But my camera's about to die, and I want to save something for the full release. So in the meantime, where's the thing? I need a thing. There's the thing that I need, and I need it now. No. I've already done that one. Nope, there's a save point. I've already saved it. Central, split lab. Oh, yeah, this also goes into A. Obviously. Yeah. I said jump. Now, before we end the episode, buy top hat? Yes. Got me a top hat and a monocle. I'm the fanciest little man's ever. He's got a top hat and a monocle. Wait, how do I still have 64 flagrant bucks? And where's the toast? There it is. Oh, everything went up when I bought the top hat. Oh, sad face. But I got some fancy hat. And if that's not enough to get you to subscribe to the channel, well, I don't know what is. But that's going to be the end of the episode here. I really something emotional, something Erst Booth. Be calm. I really want to play this at full release. I have already wishlisted it, and of course I've got the demo. I very highly encourage you to do the same, because I don't know what the price point is, but I mean, at this point, pretty much whatever it was, I'd pay it, because cats, and I am so so excited to play this when it's full release. I think it's full release sometime this year. I could be mistaken on that, but I'm pretty sure it's this year. But I've rambled on enough. Thank you, everybody, so much for watching. And, I'll see you in the next video. Hold on. Little mans. Alright, Nico. Say bye. Bye. You heard it here from Professor Nibbles McKissy Biscuits. Okay. Okay. He says bye. Okay, go on. Deuces.